Yesterday I be my pull up on my gate. For a girl jump out pretty face.
Minister and your wholeness, I must deny.
Look at Cohen and morning, Andrew, and us going to massing people if it take time with it.
Ready? Alright. That's my way. If you want to Mavan a little back support. Come back gone from last week. Alright. Ready. Hey. Do it. Hey. My back. Ooh. Yeah, my back is literally been killing me like for some weeks ago. Come down do some exercise and go overdo it, and yes, so I get back together now. But anyhow, box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. No, thank you so much for the support for the last social media countdown, watching the live. Over 830 of you guys were on the live watching the premiere on YouTube, and I hope this week when we are watch, we can see if we can at least try to hit the 900 and then go for the $1,000, even the 1,000 live watchers during the premiere. So we have a whole heap of things to talk about, so let's get right into it. And this week's social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Gaza Grandpa. Me cake soap, my word, my sentence. Woo! So, apparently, Adidja Palmer, Vybz Kartel, is going to be a grandfather. So the dancehall legend is about like 46 years old now, and people are talking about him age right now, and this little grandfather status, I think it'll help for kinda, make him appear more youthful as he would like to be. So, Likkle Addi, Vybz Kartel, I think 16 or 17-year-old son, posted this picture on his Instagram showing him beside a young girl with belly in front of her. No, it was no caption on it. All him do is just tag him father, Vybz Kartel, and you see the young lady there with a sash that says mommy on it. No, we don't know if this is just a little joke thing, if him just want to get people talking, because his father is the king of controversy. So we don't know if it's a little tactic them do right now just to get people for talking, to hear the type of things that the naysayers will say. But trust me, the comment section, well, we did visit over tropics, and over there is very, very lit. A lot of people have things to say and want to share some of the comments with you right now. So one person says, baby having babies, kids please enjoy on a childhood and stop rundown adulthood. Somebody else says, uno condone slackness and bash alkaline because him not have no youth yet. Nastiness this and uno can come for me. Somebody says, so the dog really get a youth before alka? Okay. Anastasia says, isn't this little boy 15? You know what? Walking out. Another user says, no shade, but yet another single mom. Somebody says, him about 17, Shorty never teach him about condom.
So there are more details popping in at the moment, and so no, I have to make a correction that according to what I hear is that Likkle Vybz, I think his name might be Akil, but Likkle Vybz is around 15 years old, and I think the girl might be, it's alleged that she's 18 years old, so that means, she's definitely older than him. So he's a teenager, she's an adult, and it looks as if, Kartel is feeling proud of this and this entire moment. I mean, as he should, on the basis that he is a grandfather now. Likkle Vybz posted, life is good, ellipsis. And Vybz Kartel reshared the pic with the caption, some people say me a devil worshipper. Then why God bless me so much more than them? Life is good, my son. Blushing emoji. So it looked like the Gaza boss, he's okay with it, everything is cool and fit them side. So I mean, there's not much more to say.
So that is what people are saying. Some people are in agreement, but the majority are in a disagreement with this pregnancy. And so what we have to say is that, a lot of people that are, big up the youth and I say this and that, and all I have to say right now is that getting pregnant, especially at that age, it is just a sign that you partake in unprotected sex. Like, that is just it. It is something that can happen once you have in unprotected sex. It's just like, the odds, the chances are very high. Especially when a young girl like that, well fertile and all these things. It's not like, oh my gosh, wow, you did this thing that nobody could do as a teenager. But just that some people, you know, calculate things a little bit differently and they want them life to kind of operate, you know, on a certain spectrum. And so for on the flip side of things though, he is the son of somebody very popular, very famous, and I'm sure he has a lot of money. I'm sure money is not going to be the issue. So in a similar way, how Mukuda like, yo, when you look on Kylie Jenner, and Kylie Jenner had a child as a teenager, you're almost like, well, typically most people wait to have a child because they are not financially stable. And if she is, and she has a family structure to take care of her and the child, then maybe she'll stand a better chance being a young mother. I do not know what kind of structure Likkle Addi has right now. He might have it financially, but we don't know how the mental side of it and just the emotional maturity, if he has it at this moment. So if I'm gonna bring him youth, you know, congratulations. I guess me have to go say, it don't happen already, the girl don't have breed already. So you have to just like, congratulations to him, and hopefully it's a safe birth, especially with the whole, you know, corona and all of that, what that is going on right now. And yeah, that is all I have to say right now, people. What do you say? I'm sure I have no opinions. What do you think? Do you think this is a yay or okay? Sound off below. This Friday, you do not want to miss it. I am bringing back the Do Road with Dutty vlogs, and I'm going up first with Krystal Tomlinson. Now, I spent the day with Krystal Tomlinson. We got gym, we got all over, and the day was just full of fun. I will have whole heap of conversations. We talk about my ask her about she and Beanie Man and how them did. You know, the little romance, little, something there. And she spoke about that as well, because, you know, I kind of just love, I love the little things them. So, like, that was just fun, and I can't wait for share that video with you guys. So, it is Friday at 8:30. Burritos on have to be there this Friday.
I'll be here spending the day with Krystal Tomlinson, getting to see what our day is like, how hectic it is. But if the start is to be anything, me really don't think someone can manage for the rest of the day.
That's energized, you know?
So what is Krystal's favorite Beanie Man song?
It's a hard one.
Scrap, come here, like guitar for DJ.
Yeah. I don't see very way apart and I do it.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, oh, we just about to me.
Yeah.
But don't, I have nothing left.
Hi everybody, this is Krystal Tomlinson, author of the book Kill Fear, and you're watching the Duttyberry social media top 10 countdown. Big up yourself, Duttyberry, the original fear killer when I'm afraid to talk the things, them all when the things that talk about me. I love you same way. Mwah.
Number 9, Pat it. Oh gosh, so I saw this video now on Twitter, and it featured this Jamaican TikTok user now, and she did a video basically showing the type of measures that she takes to kind of hide from her partner, says she try to pull one pad. You know? Pre!
That didn't even make sense. Alright, I'll be right back. Where's my 10 bucks? Babe, I love you so much.
I love you too.
I love you so much. So how was your day today?
I mean, it was good.
What, babe? You really had a good day today. I'm so happy. Wow. That's why I love you so much. Did your mom ever call you back?
Now, you know she did not call me back, man.
What? Your mom did not call you back, babe. That is so crazy.
Why you so loud?
Wow.
You so loud.
No, I'm not loud. I can't really hear you in here.
Babe.
What in the name of comfort touch? Comfort touch, sanitary napkin. If you never know the commercial, they like something wrong with you. But anyhow, Berry does. Can you relate to this? Do you think, have you ever done something like this to hide from your partner that, you know, it is that time of the month? Sound off below.
You ready?
Yo, why pre? Hey fam, listen here. Man's out we winning.
Me a video, yeah, long time.
Good, yeah. Jesus Christ. No sir.
Number 8, Buju's views. Mirastafari, Selassie I, draw. Alright, so reggae icon Buju Banton, you know, he is a man that, you know, him no ram for like talk female and share film thoughts, especially now that he has for social media access. So he went online recently and he posted a video kind of talking about the system and how he feels that the world is handling and treating this whole coronavirus. Here are his thoughts.
This is what the Tanzania president do.
make sure him check him health system. I see which side they are on. They are on the side of the people or on the side of the multinational. The first thing he did was test what them sending to him. And a goat and then a papaya. You see what happened? The goat and the papaya come back positive. But be careful in Jamaica. Come here some talk and come here some talk and by some people should have our best interest at heart. And the national interest at heart. And to me, it sounds like we have some traitors among us, you know. Is it true so passive and we've been drinking them Kool-Aid for so long and they don't even know? And someone just figure say, some true guy speak well of them, look well, that is enough. Be careful, you know. And if we wake up, if a guy get 15,000 for selling a half COVID virus and 39,000 putting up an incubator, who will make the money? None of them can come out of the house to make the money. Pick them can't go to school, a joking. You understand? Everybody take steps for open them country. I'm see Jamaica do a contract. Yeah? Alright. Wake up.
Okay, Buju, well, alright, okay. You know, where do I, alright, Buju, here my thoughts them now, right now, the Gargamel, whew. Alright, but I don't know how to defend that one, honestly. But I tried a while ago, but I don't know how to defend it. But hear me, so like, I don't have any problem with people having views that are different from what people consider like the norms. Like, actually, like that, because like, you know, you can learn a lot from when people have different perspectives. But something about this just never seemed too grounded on a lot of like basis. And that I find a bit problematic. But I do know that something like a lot of things going on in the world right now. Me, I have certain little views as well, where I have a little feeling, say, there can be more than just meets the eye. And that is okay, but I don't think it's a point where you can just go out and just like spew little things there and kind of get into the minds of some people who would actually believe you and want to not take heed to a lot of the warnings. I think that is just some reckless use of like your platform. And that is what I have to say. But if you view this situation or his thoughts differently than I do, but welcome for talking in the comment section down below. I love to hear what you have to say so we can have a little debate and reason about it. Zin, sound off. Are you in agreement with Buju or just think say him could have just sit this one out? Sound off below. Number 7, Poppy Trim, my barbershop. Alright, so in the middle of this whole entire quarantine, a lot of people are trying to do new things. They might try to reinvent things. They might try to just clean up, get a new hobby, a new skill. Whatever people are start YouTube channel, all of that is in full swing. And it look like say Poppy him tired of himself down now and realize say, hey, the little bush up life, the little entourage look, the little loader man type of vibe, they like we need to like change this up. So just in case like the whole music industry change after this, but might need for a look at work and look employable. So Popcaan just say, here what? You know what? Schoolboy trim. And that is what he did. Pre. Alright, Burritos, like more of you know, like what do you think about this look? What do you think about this Popcaan like new fresh like low cut type of look? It definitely him look like him could have just like in a high school right now and play Manning Cup. Like him look like a little youth. You know where that 6 farm now. But I want to hear from you. Do you think this is a good look? And also which artist you think you'd like to see do a cut like this next? But you're like someone right now and say Dexter Daps. You think Dexter Daps could have like, you know, rock the little low cut right now? Wait, you say sound up below. Number 6, Jenny Chinese skip. Me elastic man. Alright, so you know media personality Jenny is somebody who is always vibrant, always energetic, and she's always up to something fresh and new. So recently she posted on her Facebook page a video of her playing that Jamaican game, like them young people here who don't know about it, like half on a life gone. Chinese skip. So if you don't know Chinese skip is basically just take a bunch of elastic bands, you wrap them up in a one long piece of rope type of thing. You wrap it between like 2 people's foot. You jump in between, jump out, jump on the lace, and all of them something there. And it is a fun, entertaining game, and it gets to like you know give you a good little exercise. So Jenny and a fellow netballer friend decided to play the game, and this is how it went.
Hello, you can hear me good? I don't know about the master, you know. So we'll take it off just for talk, and then we'll come back. So hear this now. My friend Abby, she is one of the worst netballers ever. She plays to kill you on a court. And we're going to show you how to play Chinese skip. One of the things you must do during lockdown or early curfew time. But me gonna mash her up out here. Remember me tell you, she gonna go first. Watch the steps. You know the steps, Abby? Gonna work them through the step. Jump in. Then jump on the line. Then jump out. Jump in.
Abby, out!
Jenny, make them know so them not bad like you. Like, honestly, I'd love to see a celebrity Chinese skip game. Like, I don't know, I want to see she, I want to see Delia Harris, I want to see Miss Kitty, I want to see like Shensi and Jada, everybody want to see I play the game here. I think this would make for some good YouTube videos. Number 5, Ranking Pumpkin back. What? Me Magnum Kings and Queens. So you might remember Ranking Pumpkin as one of the contestants on Magnum King and Queen of Dancehall some years ago. Now she's one of them people there who they enter the competition and everybody I wonder how she managed to go by week. She was actually I think in the top 2 or like to the finals or the top 3. She went really far into the competition and it was just amazing. But people found her very interesting and just like fun to watch every week.
I talk to you, all of you hear me good. Man, me I talk to you, all of you hear me good. Man, loot about evil. Man, loot about evil.
So it looks like she's back again and she's talking about the whole, coronavirus and everything. She added fair like 2 cents to the dumpling rhythm. Take a look.
Pandemic, corona pandemic, corona pandemic, corona, take over Jamaica, corona, take over the world. Pandemic, corona pandemic, corona pandemic, corona pandemic. De La Vega, Catherine, Lockdown City, Lockdown Francas, South Spring, Pulbe, Kingston, St. Andrew, Tukulalendom, Phuket, the virus to them a condom after COVID-19 touch them, airport, seaport, country, lockdown, economy beat them, system blip them, Donald Trump, him eye them, pop down, Wall Street shut them, Donald not run, but Almighty Jah say we fish it down, Batman.
Big up yourself, Ranking Pumpkin. It's nice to see you back at it again. Like when Ranking Pumpkin a DJ she just reach one point in the song where she just start to list everything. If Ranking Pumpkin I talk about like one song where I talk about like going to the shop for get some food, literally one entire verse will be she just calling out random things on the list. You don't know Ranking Pumpkin. Guava, tomato, lettuce, rice, bully beef, wings, carrot, kalaloo. Let me know what you thought about Ranking Pumpkin's song, people. Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls, them sexy and young. Run club. Sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, we have to go and big up Macka Diamond on her single Hygiene Police. So right now, everybody has sanitized and try to be as clean as possible so that they can protect themselves against the deadly coronavirus. And it look like some Macka Diamond just drop a song kind of fitting with a whole little cleanliness message there. And it is called Hygiene Police. Take a look, people.
But you feel clean and clean and clean and clean and fresh. From your head to your toe, your teeth them feel white like snow. From you say clean, you feel clean and clean and clean and clean and fresh. Perfume and cologne, fashion over style and feel no so.
So if you want to go check it out, it's on our YouTube page. Go over there and watch it. Hygiene Police. And also, I want to go big up actor / artist Kadeem Wilson, also known as Kenzie, and he's the brother who did play the brother in the movie Sprinter. So he dropped the song. Well, the song has been out for a little while now, but so since the movie out now, the song on the road again, and it is called Lion Heart. Take a look. Go and check the video. Go and check out the song. It is very, very good. Pre.
True lion heart, yes man a lion, yeah. True lion heart, I am a lion, yeah. I know that a Jaja real, yes. I know Jaja real, yes. I know Jaja real, yes. I know, man a true lion heart, yes man a lion, yeah. True lion heart, I am a lion, yeah. I know that a Jaja real, yes. I know Jaja real.
Also, Burritos, as promised, I tell you every week I'm going to be bigging up the Burritos who record themselves watching the social media countdown and tag me on Instagram at DuttyBerryShow. I'm going to just feature on every week and big up for supporting. So this week we have quite a number of people like, they record themselves as well. So here are they now. That's country. So, extra. Take over, please.
Really, bro.
Is
And yes, burritos, I must make a know say my birthday is the 26th of May. I do not know when you're gonna do. Make sure say like if you have any present, if you have any cake for come give me, feel free. I am accepting everything because I know I love freeness.
Get right here, man. Shit.
Number 4, Jamaicans return. Me airplane. Alright, so we know say the borders did close and a lot of Jamaicans who were to, return home could not do so because of the measures that the government put in place to kind of safeguard the country against an outbreak of the coronavirus. Zine? Alright, so recently like a good flight they kind of set for come back to Jamaica now, and when they come back, they have to go in quarantine anyway. But like a good amount of them were able to like come back to the island now, and they did so in, you can consider it like fine style.
About going to Jamaica. Could you raise your hand at this time? Keep your hand up. We're going to get a group shot. How are you feeling? All right, keep it.
Bridging Mr. Oliver Meir. Now, if you do not know Oliver Meir is the Consul General to Miami. Yeah, man, big deals and all kind of things, and he ensured that he saw the Jamaicans off.
Keep your hands up, guys. We're just about to serve you some nice ackee and saltfish. Keep your hands up. And we're going to take a picture with you. All right?
Sure, you can run. For sure. This is.
I'm in first class.
No, you hear them excitement. They like me no know about ackee and saltfish and them type of food they are going in the runnings, and like that's something we're going back in it must smell Jamaica, Air Jamaica days. Yo, there are so many things happening right now, but I feel like I don't want to keep the countdown away from a lot of the mess that is going on as it relates to the coronavirus, because there's so much conversation going on about it. I'm trying to keep it as limited when it comes to the countdown, because I want to have a little time where we can have conversations outside of Rona. Like, enough of that now, man. Like, I want a little space where we can come on the countdown and talk and all of these little things, and it doesn't have to be about the numbers and all of the drama we are going there. So, Zine? But sound off what you think about this video on the flight. Number 3, church no Rona. Miss Sunday school. Wow, so what if people are not, them not really believe that this Rona thing is something that is actually existing in the world. Like, them believes that them stronger than anything that is, happening in other societies all over the place. And one of them lady there is a church leader from St. Anne's Bay. Now, her name is Apostle Christine McLean, the founder of the City of Refuge End Time Prophetic Ministries in a St. Anne's Bay. Now, this woman just believes that, she's not in agreement with the whole measures that the government have put in place as it relates to church opening back up again, and she not like the idea about people must go to church and I put on mask and all of these things, because she is saying that the God that she serves will ensure that she not able to like succumb to any sort of illness because of the Rona. So she not believes that she must safeguard herself in the house of God, and she's encouraging her church members to do likewise.
So I must sip it. So when I'm worshiping God, because the government, because your favorite, bro, God says, oh, I must put on mask, I must put on the mask. And when my government in heaven, the greatest government who make Andrew, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the greatest government who make the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, I must deny God and embrace your government. Blood and fire. Blood and fire. I understand a sinner who walk into church and have on a mask. But when it comes on to a veteran like me in a God gospel, are you going to tell me to put on mask in a God house? It's a taboo. It's a taboo. The devil fight against your own. Because you don't see the devil want to shut up your mouth. Put on the mask over your mouth and see if you have any voice. Put on the mask over your mouth and see if you have any voice. Much less to go into God's house and to worship God with a mask. Church folks, keep on.
Alright, okay, Apostle McLean, you know, okay, hold on, wait a minute, give me a sec, I'm getting there. Alright, so, this is dumb. It's dumb. Yeah, I can't, like, honestly, I tried a while ago. It's stupid. Like, honestly, like, you know, like, I understand when you can understand that you are a spiritual warrior and that you have a lot of the backing from God and His angels and everybody are encamped around you. I know the whole of them look straight they go and how your beliefs are pretty much valid. But once again, I would hope that the God that you serve also tells you to sort of go about into the world with a sense of like knowledge and understand the importance of wanting to protect the people who come to worship at your church as well. And so you would not want to do anything that could even be detrimental to their health and to yours as well. I mean, it's just messy. I saw a story some time ago with one of the church leader, you know, in the States, and he was just like, yo, everybody must come to church, and he don't believe in the whole corona thing. And a couple days after he died, because somebody came to church and brought the corona there, and he must come in contact with them, and he died later. He was a senior. And so like, it's just like stuff like that. I just find like it's really stupid. It's really stupid, and it puts me in one space where it's like, I don't know, but you know, I don't know, sound off below, yeah, because I really try to respect where she come from, and I can understand if she believes that her relationship with God is at such a level where she is, what's the word? I can't get something. Lord God, what the word name? What the word I mean, say you can't touch it. So I mean, you're not invincible. Comment down below the word is, because I can't remember it right now, yeah. But anyway, what you have to think about this whole entire apostle? One word for describe her. Sound off below. Number 2, farming tune. My ground position. Alright, so this video now, like I tell you, everybody at on DJ nowadays now, but them people, them have talent. Fully bad. I'm telling you, I don't know if I yam the dasheen and the guava. I don't know if why we keep on talking about guava. It look like some just feel like some guava from what they like. I don't know if you have guava, yeah, just send it to me, yeah, man, Berry does. But anyhow, so they did this song talking about farming and the importance of sustaining the country. Take a look.
I mean, I say, yo, this is a message to the Ministry of Agriculture, you know. Whoa, 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 yeah. I mean, I say, people now have to go nowhere. They get nothing, you see me? That's kind of real cultivate, man. And we are reap what we sow, you know. And sow what we reap. I mean, I say, eat what you go, you know. Eat what you eat. We say farming, you know. I'm going to tell you about the farming. From money. Pandemic get this so far as alarming. Killian and sweet pepper and me garden. Okoyam banana I'm planting. Tell you about the farming. From money. Now no money, now no food. Consider that alarming. Get the fork and start blow. Do it now. Wet the ground and start throw a couple canning. Some man a cultivate the land. Plant some yam in the land. Up dashing full me hand. Me now to wait from Babylon. We believe in ambition, so we have to set a plan. Plant the land we can go round. Cause we want good food for yam. Cause we have food, we not depend for money. Me and one of my friends them in the farm, we are blowing out. Think I like one go axe and curry. Now if you use the powder turmeric for the curry, yeah, the farming, from money. One day we get this so far as alarming. Scallion and sweet pepper in me garden. Cocoyam banana I'm planting. Tell them about the farming, from money. No money, no food, consider that alarming. Get the fork and start blow, do it now. Wet the ground and start through a couple canning. Yeah. Man, I be keep it side up. When you hear me, I say I love. I no burn up with reds, me go link. I me go circle for the island. Time just stick on it, I go get dead. Check the guard up on the right, you see the color lumen. Fall in the yard, some good come and take. I see that the watermelon start spread. Man, I tell you about the farming, from money. One day we get this so far as alarming. Killian and sweet pepper in me garden. Cocoyam banana I'm planting. Tell you about the farming, from money. No money, no food. Consider that all.
People, no man, that shell. No man, round of applause for the farmer then. Round of applause. It's all the brother in the back where the little harmony and the little vice and the little, you know, little Dexter type of flow there. Yeah man, bad to. Somebody need to go record this now and put on music video feed because I feel like this will just be like a hit song in the middle of the whole quarantine season. Tell you man, yes. So now, how much should I give the song out of 10? And number one goes to Top Shoot Boss. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So this week the number one spot goes to this brother by the name of Kemar James. And he is just going viral because of how him just communicate and how grateful he is for every single blessing that comes into him life. So you know, recently the government they have like a care package, care grant where you know they give out the $10,000 to people you know who needed it. Who were unemployed, and all of them look something there, and he was one of the persons who benefited from that money. And so he took to social media now to show his thanks, not once, not twice, but thrice. See the first one here.
Good afternoon, people. I want to thank the Prime Minister for Jamaica, Andrew Honest. I ask him to thank you for the corona money when he give to people. How you na bank book? You can go restaurant. Can collect the money. I carry an ID and it in your hand. I would have them bank card can go to the bank go draw the money. I thank you Andrew for the local money. I'm asking people up on the road, they take time to look money and Andrew is go now. Look at corona money, Andrew is going to asking people if you take time with it. Don't use it buy rum and don't use it buy a cigarette. That's not nice. And don't use it by don't take a gamble, go gamble money and gamble this and gamble that. That's not nice. Use the money that Andrew just give if you do. Buy your food, buy your clothes, and buy your one little socks on your foot and put on when you dress up in your yard.
People, no, it's just the way I'm talking. Like people, no, honestly, if him blessings not just overflow and overflow again and overflow again, he might make more money than what Trishana get pandana program. Like if him continue like this, something about him, the humility and just being so honest and transparent, like it will resonate to the whole heap of people. It will.
I want to thank the country from Manchinil, Pat Thompson. I want to thank me for this food bag here. And everybody get, if you think I let me, I tell, 2 hours in there. 2 tissue. Thank God for the 2 tissue you give me. Thank God for the 2 tissue you give me, because a newspaper me now I use at the bottom. A flour, the flour caramel, flour, 2 spring water. Thank God for the 2 spring water, because pipe water me normally drink. Thank God for the 2 spring water. And a cooking oil, and a sardine, and a 3 tin mackerel, and a ketchup, and a milk, tin milk, and a cheese, sugar, and a bathing soap. A case soap, me not use it bathing, but me thank God I get a bathing soap. And a rice. People, you must be grateful the part-time so go now. You must be grateful because part-time so now you better sleep or eat your food.
And then he went online again to, you know, urge other people to ensure that they follow the government's instructions as it relates to like staying home and washing them hands and all of these things.
But wait there, how me not see the people that wear their mask still? How me not see the people that wear their mask? And the government tell us must wear their mask. Eh? The government tell us must wear their mask. What's your honey sanitizer and what's your honey soap? And stay distant from people. And me talk me say only say if you want me the bar them. Me talk me say only if you want me the bar. I say the people I working on the bar, it must be grateful. And me say honest, me say only if you want me the bar. You can go in and work and make people then come and buy the cigarette and then liquor. Eh? I see the elder them, when we 65 and over, you must stand on the yard, no rum, no smoking, stand on the yard. I see the people that come by the liquor and drink and a smoke. In the rain, they mask. And the bartender, they must wear in the mask too. And stay distant from people. I see the people that come in, if you come by the liquor and buy the cigarette, put on the mask. I'm going to set out phone now. Come on, just like I set out phone. Anybody me say I come inside the bar, I'm going to run in the back. You don't do the mask.
I do not know. I feel like somebody needs to do a TikTok of this, like, you know, like mouthing, like what he's saying. Somebody needs to do a TikTok to one of him video them. Like, honestly, if you do it, I'm gonna put you in a social media countdown next week. Please to do so. Okay? What do you think about Kemar and his social media videos lately? Sound off below. Well, that is it, Berries. We've come to the end of another Dutty Berry Top 10 social media countdown. I do hope that you enjoyed. If you did, you know the thing go already. Hit the thumbs up button and turn on the post notifications so that you'll see all of my videos once I post them. Also, to leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. I know that on the live right now and I enjoy it, but take some little time after the live. I'm just gonna leave a comment right down here. So let me know what was your favorite topic, your favorite number, your favorite part of the countdown. Also, to share the video so that more people can be welcome to the DuttyBerryshow YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on my social media, it is DuttyBerryshow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to advertise or to email me, you can just send me a message to DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. As simple as that. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tune into the youth.